Hi guys, what's going on? It's SoftAsia Tech, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can add glass reflection effect like this into your Elementor page. You can see I have added this glass reflection effect in this image, and alongside I will also show you how you can add this perspective rotation layout. So by default this image appears in this perspective layout, and when I hover over it, it becomes a flat image. So let's go to your Elementor page builder where I will show you how to create this effect from scratch. So here on my Elementor page, first of all I will design section layout. So I will click on this plus button and I will select this 3-column structure. Now I will go to height and make it fit to screen. Now I will go to style, and in the background I will choose classic background and I will change its color to black. Now in the middle column I will click on this plus button and I will drag in an image. I will choose an image from my media library. I'll select this image and click on insert media. Now this image will appear like that. You can change its size and also its alignment, but I will just add a reflection effect in it. So to add reflection effect, go to its advanced settings, go to custom CSS and paste your code here. By the way, you cannot add CSS codes in the Elementor free version. You have to install Elementor Pro to create this effect. So I will paste my code here. Now as soon as I have pasted this code here, you can see a reflection effect of this image under here. You can see this reflection goes out of the section. So for this I will go to the section settings, layout, and I will change its width. I will make its width to 800, and now you can see it appears like that. Now next I will add perspective rotation on it. So for this I will click on this image and go to custom CSS. Now press enter here and paste another code. Now as soon as I have pasted this code, you can see the image layout was changed. Don't worry about the code, you can find this code in the description below. Now here you can see I have set the rotation. I have made it minus 25 degree. I'll change it to minus 10. Also here I will make it minus 10. Now you can see it was changed. Also you can make it positive 10, so it will rotate from the right side, but by default I will make it minus 25. Also here I will make it minus 25. Now I will update the page and preview it on live site. Now the page was successfully updated. I will click on this I button to preview the changes. Now here is my page. Hover over the image and you can see the perspective layout turned into flat image, and also under this image you can see this glass reflection effect. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.